Yeah, this bride celebrity, the senior advocate of reality. This message is very, 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 very important. It will save a lot of people and it will save a lot of lives because of what is going on now. And I want to also use this medium to pass this message to all those True boys, both old and new boys association Europe chapter. Let me first of all ask a question. May I ask one question? Is that the question that I want to ask is that those old boys, when did they do all those things those days when they come Europe, when we see they start all those nonsense, all those bullshit and through all those normal rubbish, basically they use women money, they come Nigeria, they collect our girls those days, when we see they will carry on that woman money come Nigeria, when they oppress people, they collect their girls, they do what you see maybe now their money, we don't see now women money now they come all these things based on the rubbish what they do for a year. Me I don't know now me I don't know the matter they be now. Now this matter don't change now. They don't change now to a new method. We see now violent now. They think they collect money for our gay sound. They think they collect money for our gay sound. They molest them, they beat them. Even the one they first do those days, we be see most of our women they for streets, they as in their life ruins, they ruin their life. Now they will see constantly talk say women are bad. We don't know see now them be the bad people, now the men be the wicked and useless people. Those days who in Nigeria that will come say Europe women not good, all those things. Now me and the see I'm not say not be Europe women not good. Now they be the bad people. Now they even influence them to all those nonsense things will be say can't land it to prison now. What did they make me to talk these things that those days they don't teach all those new boys maybe say they recruit now to the condemn women, to the collect women money, to the molest women, they beat them anyhow, they useless them. Because say maybe they want to be their name of say I must make them. All those I must make them boys, I must make them this year. So now women here now you fit make them. They beat them, they molest them anyhow. Now that have been a new method now. They beat women, they collect money from their hands by force. Now don't use beg, they use with man, they also carry juju do many things, they collect them those days. Now they did not they work again. Most of the women they don't wise. The girls don't wise and now fight, now beating. Now they collect their money anyhow. They come club, they oppress people. Now they buy caskets. They are the shots. You now get money. Now your money, your guy, now your money. Now as I come, let me make me the reason this thing is too really painful and it's really painful. The way men they treat women for this Europe is too painful. The two countries now when they say 2 to 3 countries when I don't enter now, it's almost the same thing, the same way they treat women. They treat women anyhow. New girls when you come, we see they don't get orientation. Now come they oppress them because they don't know what to do, they don't get orientation. First of all, now they lose guide. All those first women when they come now lose guide and give them wrong impression, give them wrong orientation. No, I can't pass those message to all those one when you come because they feel say that the right thing and they do and they give them wrong impression. They oppress them, they rule them anyhow. But you make me to talk this thing while they come. That was around 3 today. We say I go party, go do one or two things for party based on invitation and all these things. You understand? Based on one of my customers, and you come and say, well, you get party all this thing, you see enter all these things. Behold, while they come back today, I hear voice, they cry, They cry beside one corner. They cry, help. How come you see now? Hey, based on the language, based on the voice and all those this thing, I come this one a Nigeria person or now Africa person. I can say make I shift my observe the person. I can say now one innocent, fine, small girl cry for bush, for name just some black form of bush. I can say what happen now. You shall accident happen now. Now get accident all these things. Now only you one day. She no feel one reason with me because if you see me being one of maybe I've been one of those people when hurt her all these things. she come to try to drag her out so that people will feel see am before I can call ambulance say but make the reason. Now before I call ambulance, before you can get strength, small water when small bottle when they with me when I carry small water now I can get a drink. But she take get strength, she follow me reason. What did the girl tell me? It's painful. It's too painful. So this time, after everything we say all those useless boys, do women, do men for road, their route, now they can't carry the matter come here, now the violent matter. When they begin to oppress people, they mess people up. I don't know why people know why people did so wicked to your own people like that. Why are you so wicked to your own blood, to your own African person, to your own even Benin person? Just like that. I not pass through roots. Thank God to my family. My best. I hear everything will happen, and I get a lot of friends, even customers. All these things they tell me all these things will happen. So now I can see get the mind, can see come here, can see the maltreat them after all the betray, the kidnapping and all those things. When I tell all those Moroccan, all those Libyan people after now don't destroy their lives. Even some people now, even get one guy like that now busy leg not the work. The leg the not be say it come from Nigeria, but the Magara and obviously not the work away because of my bad evil mind. Then I can't carry the man. Come, I know say now if you do the boys, now can't they do the girls because now call the oppress them. It's going to be the end. You know if you walk, you know we walk. Because if you look at me very well, I work with when I was in Nigeria before my beautiful angel come rescue me from the desert. As in what I got the I don't feel call it, I don't feel call it desert from the kidnapping camp. You know, see, Nigeria is the kidnapping camp. When you escape from Nigeria, it means you don't escape from kidnapping camp. When they come pay me pass and their new come, they influence me to all those kind of violent matters. You must be violent before you there as a violent person. They will respect you. That's what they do for Europe. I almost want to copy all those nonsense things. It want to learn me to something stupid. And thank God now I was so smart enough. I begin to leave them, follow Igbo matter, follow Igbo life. Now Igbo can't let me know, say, see the way that they treat women. Say they are women, they are precious. You treat them well. You treat them normal. You treat them like gold. For my brain come boot. And I also want to make you understand that if you come Europe, the people who you say made are bad people. Based on the kind of job what they do now, you know. I must meet Nigerians and all these things. That's how I met all those nonsense people begin to tell me rubbish. Begin to come and destroy my home, my beautiful home. That one on one side. That is one of the reasons why they vex me. For that reason, when they say they want to destroy my life, I must retaliate and I must fight back with them. And I'll make them understand that it's not right. That is how you don't treat your people like that. Moroccan don't they treat their people like that. The rest Spaniards, we be say country, they don't treat their people like that. Now we come different. Back to waiting at the talk. Based on before then, I can ask, what you come manga your face like this, like this actress. Her face not even was really this actress, Angel. Angela, sorry to say Angela. Maybe see that actress. You know, her face never that one face good now. The way her face they be. Even look my jacket now. Even Nana even they try to clean my jacket. I want to rush her. Blood and all these things full her face. See my jacket. When I'm wearing that cool. Carry her come out to wear ambulance or come carry her. Come begin to ask her what did they happen. What did you like? You see now your boyfriend, they go party, they go birthday. See now their friend birthday, they go. That cause this issue. So what did happen when I go birthday? What did happen? See, as they go that birthday, the boy that do the birthday. See your girlfriend go surprise her with car for the birthday. What you gonna cause that one? Then the girl called the toss say from there now the boy say boyfriend got the misbehave say when he do birthday you know, surprise them with anything, nothing, not to your buy drink, just celebrate and small. So you see where boy get they buy more to guess, to buy more to boys anyhow. Just, you know, to their boyfriend to appreciate you for what you be. Who you be to appreciate, as in, I don't understand. When girl go enter cool, enter song, enter every, enter cool. What they do things, they do one or two things to make sure say they pay her strength to even give you food, give you small money today. Well, they say appreciate that one. I lose for him to even put you for herself. You know what it takes for you to pay her strength. Person can't even they do for you. They appreciate you. You know that better. You know what it takes for girl will they go for 3 hours, 2 hours, even more than that safe. Let me come ask the girl, okay, fine. The boy when they talk say you don't buy motor for him, he get document, he say no. He get driver license, he say no. In the year language, he say no. What if police maybe mistakenly police can catch you, or let me say mistakenly police must catch you because you must beat their law. What do you want use money to do? You want to use them for taxi? No. You want to use them? You say you want to use them the cruise around. Which round? They go club, they do all those things. Cause he carry on that woman put for front. Not be she. You want to pay? Not be she go even put for front now. Now the other woman only on that gay for front. Who does that? All those nonsense must stop. And we must stop those things because they don't spoil many things. Many people are crying, even sometimes how they cry. When they hear you see this person in Nigeria, they will run away from you. So imagine now, me and my white friends and all those people when they around me won't be white. Sometimes I want to run some legit business with them. Before you know it, they'll say no. A Nigeria person, they need to study you, and before you know it, the matter don't knock. Why you can't be saying I make they pay for the sin one I commit? Which did happen? The sin one I commit, I mean what they pay. Because say I get Nigeria passports, they begin they now come see the commit and they go. Instead of now we say we now when you come, the useless, let me use the useless bros when not wise, when God go punish. Don't condemn the place. We now we say we're supposed to amend down. They make things okay for we and for our children, even from people who be say we love from Africa will come. So that we keep way for them to come. Even now. No matter how you get better document to invite your loved ones from Africa, no bother how. They're not going to give them visa. They don't even ban them. Even to your own chichi. Share this video. You don't have any copy. You don't have any this thing. You have the right to share the video so that you will get to all those idiots. When God will punish, when no go better for. As far as I'm concerned, say when one mislead me. And because of this girl, wanna condemn. Now what they call? What be her name again? Precious Obasogi. That be her name. They don't want Kara go hospital. Me I don't know her before. I just say make her help. If you know say you be dey close to her, Precious Obasogi. That be her name. Now your friend. They don't hospitalize now. You useless boyfriend when God go punish. What it be that your useless boyfriend name again? I never. What did the girl even talk? Say be her name again. What it be her name again? What it be her name again? I don't ever remember your name because I don't like to. I know if you are a bad person, I hate you. If you are a good person, you my friend. If you bad, you evil to your own fellow brother. You might, I know, not if you not shake me at the best for you. Why you go beat person will be say they give you this? Okay, first of all, wait, guys, I want to give you. Now see, like say, on our brain, no, they come online. I want they put on our brain online because it they offline. On our brain, they offline. I want put them online. May I begin? I want expose them now. I want begin to expose boys. See all those idiots. I want to expose all of them. This one, I exposition will expose everything. If you want to hear anything, will be say, you know what they do now. I will begin to tell you now. Just go on my page, go on my Instagram, or my YouTube, just subscribe. You see all this. I'll begin your you say maybe you don't see my video. You will see all these things for there. I'll begin the enlightening of what they do now. I will tell and nothing like secret anymore. Thank God for social media. I don't see. We know they use social media today. They use social media today. They help people. They give the enlightenment. They give the information for them not to fall into all those nonsense things. Because we don't too wise. We don't too suffer. All those mostly women for Europe. They don't do na shaggy. Women will carry, girl will carry, girl will enter cycle for you. Girl you will say you want support man with your own heart. Say you want give her help. Now you will say you know wise. You all those you be stupid girl. Then the money goes. You go use. Once you don't go work or you don't go anything we want, we will begin a call in Nigeria again. So you go see now, no get sense. Now to don't they do blah blah blah. And you say sometimes the way that they talk when they don't drink, so they even know all the old guests, the way they sleep with them, the way their body they make noise. And I no go get sense. They not love you and they tell you. Let me give you one instance for me. If I love a woman, really from my mind, see this woman, I want to really love her, I want to love her with all my heart. If my even shake and say, I go the best. You don't go say man or can't walk on. You don't go say man or can't kiss her. You don't go say man or can't they do her. You know, you go know say man go they carry you, your woman they go outside, they go they do things because money, all those things. Then you can't tell her, you can't tell her say you love. Girl, move. You don't love you. You just want your content. You get when you love, when you want marry, go tell you say Bob, low level. You know, see, this preach I they preach for you. This preach man they preach for you, and later you go hear it. You go understand what they try to talk. Later you go flash back all this is right. You know man for this I swear to God, no responsible. I swear to God this morning. No responsible man will be say good, will be your real man. Go they see you say they do those things, will be say no go advise you, tell you see what you will do. Go to this, stop this work. Go do one or two things. Maybe you take if you never get paper, see what you go do. Find out. You go find how you want to get. Go meet people. Meet social. If you never get paper, go tell you go meet social. And I be your see Europe people. You know say what people don't know about Europe. People don't get sense. They don't understand about Europe, Western world. They follow things accordingly, street by street, line by line. You can never. You know, there's no shortcut. Anything when they work for Nigeria, they work for Europe. Europe is the opposite of Nigeria. Most opposite of Africa. Go see the work there, not the work here. If you believe, say you they use, I must make a wuru. You know the work here, my guy. That makes you see all those boys begin their bodies they hot. I mean, they find themselves for prison. They do all those nonsense work. If you see most of them, they don't enter prison. Most of them from there though. From now, we don't set up agency. Any man when misuse woman or beat woman, mess woman up. When our donation, yes, when our donation now. Go police station, tell police now you carry you go in Europe. Me you give it short. If you never get document, you still have the opportunity for you to get document 10 years. If now France you did, if now you Italy you did, you will get document. Donation now. Because you don't do too much with them. They know they work, they will wake up, they will sleep for top of breast, they will wake up on top of breast. They call themselves, you know, go also, go. Now that you want now woman, you know, now woman money or woman sweat, now you will take make up for life. You dey crazy, you know, get sense. And you expect me woman get respect for you. Won't be saying a woman they take care of all the 90% or everything. For the whole house, you see now you want to see a woman. You after you see, it's natural. Women are just like that. They are responsible for most of the things. Don't expect respect. That is natural. Even if the woman are pastor, no. See, don't let anybody deceive you. And another thing I want to tell you that women, forget all those men who say they deceive you. They tell you all those kind of things. They are real men. They are still real men in this Europe. I don't see them. And those boys that is a good boys, when they say good, when they do all those nonsense what they talk about, God will bless you. I don't see many guys when you see good. That's why they tell you say they are still real men. They no say the one way bad, now come plenty pass the one way good. How you think you? You know if you know now what bad thing, not plenty bad one when you go, you take everything and the same thing now. They are still good when you just calm down. If you really want to get married, don't think say man go marry you, say you go see the good. See, I love you as a woman. You know why I say I love you as a woman? Because for my level when I did so, I can't reach this level so. Now women I did my side. Now women really bring me to this level. Both from my sisters to my loved one, to my family that I have in Europe. Now woman I make me to become who I am today. So I don't use it to play. Anything that is against them, if you look at very well, all the things what they do is about women. Because I love them and I just like them naturally. I don't know why. Not that they still at the sleep, they can testify. Most of I know they follow them, talk all those things. I don't be that kind of person. Most people who know me, they will tell you. I just like them naturally because they are precious. So you just have it in mind that this nonsense must stop. Only thing, if you look at it very well now, it's not they affect everybody. As far as you be in Nigeria, anywhere you go, if you want rent house, problem. If you want go job, you go write what they call them, application for job offer, all those job this agency, all those agent people, they will give you problem. No, will give you job because if you Nigeria, doing this stuff, state they should be Nigeria, no will give you job. Now I go see if you want this thing not to affect you, you have to support us. We have if you sabi sing, send us message. If you be comedian, if you and you dey act, you be actress or actor, send us message. We have those platforms now for all you Europe. People will promote your music with it. People will promote your movie with it. Will they do everything? Stop those kind of nonsense business, all those things where they destroy us. Now all those things no they affect our children when we are born for this Europe. They don't know why they affect them. Don't worry. This one I will show you the part 2 of this video. I will show you how the thing they affect children for this Europe. I will show you how they happen, how they affect them. All I want you to know, share the video. Everybody will know about what is going on. I don't have any problem with sharing video. Share it so that it will help a lot of people and it will really make sense to other people so that may they learn, may they get sense, may their brain come online. Because you don't think when their brain they offline. You don't know why? Because of the bad company. And me now, Bright Usaro, the celebrity, it's not possible. I must bring all those pain where they cost me. Those pain when they cost me. Basically, if I want to do something, you know, they look me as Nigerian because the blessing has stigma to me, and I will make it stop. Because if you don't stop for our time now, what the next people will come again, and we not be the last people. They come, people they come because the country now Nigeria. Don't worry, political matter. I will tell you now because I do politics for 7 years. Pastor matter, no worry. I will give you an update for all those things. Just for you to just go to my page. If you don't see my Facebook, you don't most full. Go to my Facebook page or Instagram or YouTube. Just subscribe. You see all these things there. All those things I'll give you an update. For pastor matter, me I don't work with pastor. I know how they do things. Don't worry. All those things, I don't get problem again. I will begin to give now the updates and the things when we say all those true boys and all those Yahoo boys now. I can begin to do now. When be women now, I will give you an update. Very very important. Mostly married women. Or the one we get better when we get boyfriend, when you get the things when they want to disgrace you now, when they happen now, I never know. And I will tell you, I will expose all those things to you now, and I will see them. So I don't want to do a long video, just share the video. You are free to share it to anywhere, any network or whatever. But if you want to get a full video, you can also get it on my Instagram and my YouTube and my Facebook page. Part 2 of this video will come up very soon, and it's going to be tough. And from now on, I want you to join me for that foundation whereby molestation of a woman will stop, violence of women will stop, and domestic violence about women will stop. All those nonsense will stop. All those things they treat you now, whether you be man or woman, they fuck you now up for everything. because now man they kill man. Now who know man they kill man. Oh one agbo man all those things will stop. If you give person business, you not do where it will stop. We'll bring out to book in this platform. Anybody when monkey will get a problem. You understand? I know why they talking because we are trying to do some registration about all this thing to make it legal. You don't get anything to do. I don't talk my own. If you like, I don't preach my mind, and I will still preach more. If you don't, either you love me or you hate me. Peace or war. Ciao.